Welcome to Fix It with Patrick. Today we're going to show you how to replace the front brush here on the Roomba i7. It also works for most other Roomba series as well. We'll jump right into it here. So we'll just loosen this front screw here. Take this out here. It's also something good to check out from time to time as well. But take this one off. Replacement comes just like it. There's a couple different versions, but they all, a lot of the same ones just work. Just pop a new one on there. Just kind of has a little fitment inside there. You're just going to line up the holes there, but you want to make sure it's nice and flush. You can kind of feel you're turning the motor when you have it set in there right. Once you get in there though, just tighten it down. There you go. Your front brush is ready to go.